Hello traders. Today our founder, Larry Pai, has a helpful tip to share about using innovative ordering. When the market moves down, the market order board can sometimes hide the candle movements. To prevent this, we have a helpful tip for you. Innovative ordering provides two boards on the chart, market order and pending order. Let you disable the market order board and add an extra instance of innovative ordering. In the parameters of this new instance, disable the pending order. Then, scroll down to the panel section. Select New Panel from the drop-down list. This way you can use innovative ordering more conveniently without worrying about the market order board hiding the price during market moves down. Thank you for watching. We hope you find this tip helpful.